This is actually one of the coolest things I think we make because it's simple and effective. One of the things Volvo did to try and make some of their cars ride and steer smoother was that they installed the entire front suspension and motor onto the subframe, and then they mounted the subframe to the body using bushings like this. These bushings have large air spaces in them. Now those air spaces are really nice for a nice soft ride, but they don't work so well for handling. One of the things we've done to try and make the handling better on these cars is we've made inserts to fill the voids in these bushings. So very simply, there are 4 of these installed in the subframe under your car. If you take off the bolt and the washer, you can install our poly inserts, and they insert in there and fill the voids in the bushings to limit the amount of flex and travel there are in these bushings, and therefore limiting the amount of deflection and movement in your front suspension and front subframe. This is a significant improvement in handling in the car without having too great a cost in ride quality, and it's really a very big bang for your buck improvement on your car. These are available on our site currently. You can install these. Most people do it themselves at home, or you can have a mechanic do it. It takes about 60 to 90 minutes. They're on the website at ipdusa.com.